Ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum, and a very good afternoon. At the outset, I would like to express my deep gratitude and extend sincere thanks to the Ministry of Energy, Minister Ali Parvez, his team, and all other relevant departments, and of course, very valuable support from the Chief Army Staff and his colleagues, our international partners. All this put together has made this event not only very successful, not only very productive, but has gained the confidence of entrepreneurs sitting in this room, and of course, across Pakistan and globally. Ladies and gentlemen, I will not like to repeat what our honorable speakers have just concluded, and of course, the panelists. But I'd certainly like to say a few important things which would probably express my sincere feelings. And that is Mr. Mark Bistro of Barrick Gold. I have known him for the last 2.5 years. And in him, I saw somebody who was totally committed to this project at Reko Diq and was prepared to face and negotiate challenges on the way. And I was deeply touched by not only his acumen, but his steadfastness. And today you have seen the progress which has been made so far on a project which lingered on for about 20 years. I wouldn't want to go into details, but suffice it to say that here is a project from which we must draw our lesson, and that is, wherever there is a will, there is a way to go. Ladies and gentlemen, Pakistan has been blessed by Allah Almighty, infinite natural resources, from the rugged mountains of Balochistan to snow-covered mountains of KP to pristine tips of Gilgit-Baltistan, Azad Kashmir, and then to the valleys of Sindh and plains of Punjab. And this is not a secret, but in the public domain, these deposits value trillions of dollars. And if we are able to harvest these great assets I can say without any fear of contradiction that Pakistan would say goodbye to institutions like IMF, who have been, of course, a great source of assistance to Pakistan, spanning over decades. And Pakistan will be able to get rid of a mountain of loans, borrowed sums of monies, costing us a fortune. Not only this, Alhamdulillah, we have been blessed with a very fertile land in the province of Punjab and Sindh and other parts of Pakistan. And on top of it, people, very brainy people, brave, who are ready to accept challenges and turn sand into gold. I think what we have witnessed here today, if we are able to put our act together, and we are all geared towards that, alhamdulillah, federal government, the provinces, institutions, along with the support of Pakistan Army, I can tell you without any fear of contradiction, ladies and gentlemen, that we can turn the corner within no time. It's all about the will to do. As we have seen Barrick Gold's presentation, they are training our young boys from Balochistan, employing people from Balochistan, creating socio-economic opportunities for them, technical training school, and so on and so forth. Here we have our brothers from Saudi Arabia, from Qatar, from UAE, and other countries, and of course, ambassadors from Europe and North America and Far East, China. I think this is an opportunity which we must convert into reality, not through borrowing more loans, but coming up with feasibilities and solid evidence of partnership which will result into a win-win partnership. And today, there is a dearth of rare earth material around the globe. And I would like to invite, on my behalf of my government and provincial governments, all potential investors in Pakistan and abroad, whether they are from Gulf states, they are most welcome. Whether they are from China, they are most welcome. Whether they are from Europe, they are most welcome. From United States of America, they are most welcome, because I believe in my investor is my master. And together we can certainly convert this into an opportunity like never before. Ladies and gentlemen, In Sindh, we have one of the largest coal deposit around the globe. And Sindh Chief Minister Shah Sahab is doing a great job by utilizing this coal to generate power. And this coal deposit can feed our cement plants and lots of other industrial outfits, and thereby decreasing import of coal and saving our scarce foreign exchange reserves. In Punjab, they have discovered iron ore deposit near Chennai.
PTCL Flash Fiber की top speed offer. Pay 3 months in advance and enjoy 40% discount and double the speed for 6 months. Call 1218 now.
कराची ऐं उन जे भर पासे में बेपरे जी आज़ान जो वक़्तु थियो आहे.
Rocket science, but from our Pakistan's national perspective, it is my duty and my government's duty to very humbly bring this for your kind consideration, that this will be the cardinal principle of our partnership, that in future you are most welcome to these mines all over Pakistan, and sky is the limit. But there has to be a partnership which brings benefits to both the partners, whether it's B2B or G2G. Ladies and gentlemen, I would therefore suggest that skilled training is most essential prerequisite for this wonderful business Pakistan has in its mountains, its valleys and plains. And for that, all entrepreneurs would be welcome to have joint partnership with Pakistani entrepreneurs or G2G to train our youth with modern skills, so that one day soon they become entrepreneurs themselves. In the beginning, they will work with Mark Bristow, with our investors from Saudi Arabia, UAE, Qatar, Kuwait, and United States of America, China, Britain, and other places. But then it has to be a built-in factor that they will train our youth by establishing vocational training centers. I think these are those very important areas for all of us to consider, and then bring up a very holistic and all-encompassing policy which will bring tremendous dividends for both the partners. I will finally conclude by saying that these vast areas, rather arid areas, are soon going to be converted into hubs of development. And inshallah, I want to say, with all authority at my command, that we will work as a team, the federal government, the provincial governments, and myself, not as Prime Minister, but Chief executive officer of Pakistan, along with our dynamic Chief Army Staff and his colleagues, and turn Pakistan as one of the most growing countries around the world, inshallah ta'ala.